Welcome back to Raf Kitchen, guys. On today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make meatloaf, something very easy and cheap to make. You want to start this recipe by preheating your oven at 350 degrees, and then after you get that set, you want to get a bowl and you're gonna have 2 pounds of ground beef. You're gonna add a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of salt, and you are going to stir and combine as well combined. After the salt and black pepper is well incorporated into the meat, now you are going to add the breadcrumbs. Remember, you have to have a cup of breadcrumbs, and you don't have to add it all at the same time. You can just add half, stir well, and then you can add the rest of it. Make sure you move the meat around so all the ingredients can get well incorporated. That's the only way you are gonna get the results that you are gonna looking on this recipe, which have a good flavor and have an amazing dish. After the breadcrumbs are well incorporated, you are wanting to add a whole onion. You are gonna chop a whole onion, and you're gonna make sure that they are not big pieces, because you don't want to have those big chunks of onion. But I make sure you will cut them in small pieces. I really like the meatloaf when I eat it to have just small pieces of onions. A lot of people like to add other ingredients. I just prefer mine with just onions. Make sure that you mix well so everything can get well incorporated in the meat. Once you have all the onions and salt and black pepper and the breadcrumbs well incorporated, now you want to add 1 egg. And this egg is going to help the meatloaf to keep the consistency whenever you put the recipe in the oven. And you want to, I'm using my hands. You don't have to use your hands. I think it gives a really good flavor. It helps the ingredients to incorporate really well. So I'm just using my hands. You can use a fork or you can use a spoon if you liked, but I like to use my hands because it just gives that really nice touch to the recipe. After well incorporated, you are going to add half a cup of milk, and you are going to use your hands, your fork, or you can use a spoon. Like I said before, I'd rather use my hands for a better ingredient incorporation. I cannot even explain to you the smell that this recipe have. The smell that the ingredients are giving the meat is incredible. Once you have all the ingredients well incorporated, now you are gonna get a pan where you are gonna put the meat, because that's what you're gonna use to put in the oven. Make sure you don't fill the pan too much. Right here, I'm just gonna put 4 big spoons of meat. And I'm gonna start using my hands to make it flat. Use your fingers. You want it to be flat. And this is the consistency that we are looking for. Now, what we are going to do is I'm going to show you how it looks. Look consistent, looks flat, looks perfectly. Now we're gonna mix the sauce that we are gonna put in the middle of, and you're gonna use a cup of ketchup and half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of mustard, and you are going to mix all that together. Make sure you mix it well. And once it's all mixed, now you are going to add the sauce into the middle of. Look at that. How beautiful that looks. Completely amazing. Very easy to make. Something that I would really recommend for you to try. And then you're gonna spread that out with a spoon. Make sure that you cover every surface. You don't want to leave anything that is not covered, so you want to use a spoon, and slowly you want to start spreading that out. Look how beautiful. Remember, you had your oven that is being preheated at 350, and you're gonna let this cook for around an hour. 1 hour will give the perfect consistency that we're looking for this dish to be amazing. And look, right here I have it in the oven. And right here, look at the results. An amazing recipe we have created once again here on my kitchen. It is completely amazing. It has the perfect consistency. The smell is on point. And I'm pretty sure the taste will be amazing also. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave your comment down below. Hit the bell for notifications. And don't forget, if you're new to this channel, to subscribe. Thank you very much for always being here. Thank you very much for always supporting my work. And I will see you in another recipe, another time, here in my kitchen. Rah! Kitchen. Bye-bye.